What's up, y'all? We back again.
We back today again. Looking like bright. You see, she all up in there. See, she got a haircut today.
But we back, y'all. We finna, give it to y'all like we always do with the burps. I don't know. I probably fart. I don't know. I'm gonna try to fart for y'all tonight. So, yeah.
It's going down. Downtown. I guess you gonna try to drink. I don't know which one. I got a glass over there. Y'all see my baby?
I'm drinking out of her glass. This was hers.
Don't she look sexy today? Look at her. She feeling herself.
I know. Ladies, love yourself. Feel good about yourself at all times.
Damn. This Pepsi is off the chain. Light bright over there drinking my drink. That's Pepsi with some ice in it, okay? It's not going to give it to her strong because it's got some ice in it. It's watering it down.
Okay. Take your ice.
Hope y'all doing well today. This evening. Not today. This evening. Oh. She got a thing down in her body.
Shaka doodle, shaka
doodle, shaka doodle. Hey, Millie Walk, Millie. And it's Millie Walk? It's Millie Walk?
It's Millie Rock, Mama.
Oh, Millie Rock. Okay.
She said Millie
from the
Rock.
old school. I thought it was Millie Rock. We had a good day today.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we did. It's going down. It's going down. It's going downtown, downtown, down. Hey, hey, hey.
Ma, we gotta come up with a theme song.
Yes, we do.
I've been thinking of one though.
Y'all give us some good ideas, man.
Come up with a theme song, before we, do our thing with these burps. I can't stop playing with my hair, y'all.
Look at her. She feeling herself today. She feeling herself today. She like it. Look at it. It's on fleek. Is that what they say? Is that fleek? Is it fleek?
It's on fleek. Yes, it's on fleek.
It's on fleek.
It's popping.
It's popping.
It's so popping.
So popping. I don't know. I'm from the old school. Okay.
Old school.
I got a burp. It's sitting here. It's reminiscing. It's sitting here. It's about to come. It's about to come. Here. Oh boy.
It's coming.
For you burp lovers and you fart lovers out there.
You burp lovers.
You know they always every time if
burp lovers.
she is just too much. Just too much. You know, every time she shows her stomach, it gets restricted. I can't understand why. It gets restricted.
some haters.
Haters out there.
Haters,
Holleration. But that's
motivate.
okay for the haters. I love the haters too. Because that means we doing something right. And tight. And get it. And loose. And right. Do the chain. Ha ha. Roll it. Roll it. Swole it. Roll it. Roll it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Pepsi giving me life. I said Pepsi giving me life. Pepsi
That's me.
give me life.
I have to use coasters on my wooden table. Because you know it would buckle. It will buckle. It will buckle, 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 buckle. I'm from the old school. Only thing, you remember when your mom and them used to put plastic? Oh, shucking that. Do y'all know Light Bright wanted to be a guitar player when she was little? I don't know what the hell she doing now. That's not going to work.
We doing our burps, we doing our burps, we doing our burps, do it, our burps, do it,
Ooh,
our burps, we do it,
doing our burps, we doing our burps. We trying to fart, we can't get it out, It ain't in there today. So you fart lovers, it ain't happening, not today. I ain't got time to have a shitty ass, a fart ass. It's not going down. Oh!
That's gonna be our song. That's gonna be our song, y'all. That's gonna be our song.
Because it ain't in us today. We ain't eat no cabbage. We ain't no beans. And I ain't ate my dinner yet. Y'all gonna see what I mean? Because I'm gonna do
I ate my
video.
rice and cabbage.
She ate. Oh, she ain't had no cabbage. She ate some.
I ate my rice and cabbage. Y'all see it goes in the right places.
And if she had ate her rice and cabbage, you'd see her lifting up her leg, farting, okay?
Whew.
We ain't had no
coming,
rice
y'all.
and cabbage
It's
today.
coming.
It's coming.
Just give it a little minute.
Give it a little minute.
Oh, yeah, got 7 more minutes? 7 minutes? Okay.
We got to eat some beans. Beans and cabbage. You know you got to be full of beans. Peanuts. But them peanuts will blow you up. They'll blow it out.
Yeah, I ain't gonna eat no peanuts. Beans either though. Beans have me running to the bathroom.
I love them phalangeal beans. The black beans. Red beans. She'll eat it. Because I used to always cook black beans and rice with catfish. You used to eat them. Yes, you did.
I don't eat black beans. I said I don't eat black beans. I said I don't eat black beans. I don't eat black beans because they give me the runs. And I'm on myself. I can't eat black beans. I can't black beans. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
But I feel like I got fart, but it's stuck. I'm trying to push it out.
Man's be little bitty small poop. That means
She got a little baby. She got a little baby farts, y'all. Her farts smell like baby poop.
I can't even let them out like light bright. Sometimes, because you know when you got a lot of meat on you, and it ripples. Sometimes. I bet you some people saying, "Ooh, they so nasty." Shit, y'all nasty too. Because y'all asses fart. Everybody fart.
It's all
Everybody
natural.
let their gas out.
It's all natural in the game.
Some people just more discreet with it. You know, oh, I'm not going to fart in front of them. I'm going to suck it in.
I ain't sucking none in. I'm letting it roll out.
Them toxins. No.
You hear me?
But that is something. It's good to get colonics done and clean yourself out, clean your colon out. Where they stick that tube up in you and you watch all of it just flow on out, just clean on out. And pounds come off of you too when you get that colonic done.
Why do you have to go deep into?
Because I'm just talking about poops and farts. Poops and farts come from clogged up stuff.
She talking about some sucking out some.
You need some sucked out of you.
No, I don't. I'm good. I'm straight. I don't need nothing sucked out of me. This is all natural right here. Y'all see that? It's all natural. Okay? This is natural. Oh, I got a fart. I'm gonna push it out. Mama, what is you doing?
Trying to do like the fat boy.
Is you trying to beatbox with your mouth? God, she trying to beatbox with her mouth. She funny.
Hey.
You always gotta mess something up. Y'all, she just messed me up. I was in the mix.
I'm full.
Get in my belly.
Belly, belly, belly.
Fat belly, y'all. Yeah, zoom in today.
This video gonna get restricted. Somebody gonna report it. Every time. Every time.
I gotta get some more burps in here. Let me fix my hair real quick. You know, I got luxurious.
Woo! That's stank too. That one right there. That comes from the gut.
That don't make no sense. I said that don't make no sense.
Y'all know she always has to look at herself. Ooh, Lordy have mercy. Well, family, we love y'all. Love, 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 love y'all.
I love y'all so much. I love y'all. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This burping challenge that we did for y'all today. And you know what? You better hit that thumbs up.
Make sure y'all go subscribe.
And you know what else? Make that bell go off so you can join us as soon as we pop. We got more to come. We're going to surprise y'all with the farting challenge. We just got to eat some beans, okay? And some cabbage. But we love y'all. Seriously, we hope y'all enjoy this video, family. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And y'all know y'all be seeing us later. Later, alligator.
Deuces.